Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bank of Montreal, BMO, review my cross-border banking experience. Bank of Montreal, BMO, offers cross-border banking services, primarily aimed at individuals who live, work, or conduct business in both Canada and the United States. It facilitates managing finances across the border, offering features like dual currency accounts, cross-border transfers, and access to banking services in both countries. Their website provides details on the specific accounts and services offered. BMO emphasizes the convenience and simplicity of managing finances internationally, highlighting streamlined processes for transfers and account access. They position their services as a solution for simplifying the complexities of cross-border banking. They don't explicitly advertise no hidden fees or no contracts, but their site does have fee schedules and details about account terms. BMO leverages its established branch network and digital banking platforms in both Canada and the US. You can check availability and specific services available based on your residency and needs on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using BMO for my cross-border banking needs. Setting up my accounts was relatively straightforward. I started the process online and then finalized everything at a local branch. The initial onboarding involved providing the necessary identification and documentation for both countries, which took a bit of time, but was expected. Once set up, navigating the online banking platform was quite intuitive. I was able to easily transfer funds between my Canadian and US accounts using the global money transfer feature, which was a major plus. The exchange rates were clearly displayed before confirming each transaction. I also used their bill pay feature to pay utilities in both countries, directly from my respective accounts. The performance of the online banking was generally reliable and reasonably fast. One time I had a question about a specific transaction fee and contacted their customer support via secure message through the online banking portal. They responded within a day with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how seamlessly I could switch between viewing and managing my Canadian and US accounts within the same online banking platform. The standout feature for me was definitely the global money transfer. It was quick, easy, and the fees were competitive. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app specifically for cross-border banking. I had to use the regular BMO app and navigate to the international banking section. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my BMO cross-border banking experience. While navigating the initial setup took a bit of time, the convenience and features definitely outweigh the initial effort. That's my overview of Bank of Montreal, BMO, review my cross-border banking experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.